Hello everyone and welcome to episode 209 of the castle. We're going to be taking some sticks out after we fix this broken wheel again. My goodness, look at this weather. It's the nicest looking sunset. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's so shiny and sparkly. I could just build a fort up there. Alright, I got a bunch of sticks over here. I've been collecting these sticks for like over a year as they wash up on the beach. So now I'm going to load them into the rickshaw and we're going to start building some walls and a floor so it's a less cold floor.
Yeah. You put a hand over my mouth and ask why I'm not loud. I got ink on my knuckles and a bruise on my crown. You hate the dirty words, but you love the clean lie. I'm not here to behave, I'm here to survive. Don't trim my tongue, don't clip my teeth. I say what I mean, I say it on the beat. Stop censoring me. Snowflake Muppets, let me sing.
Right, it took me 4 minutes and I've loaded up all these sticks. Now I've got to deliver them to the castle. Oh, intact, hopefully.
I got bars that sting. Stop censoring me. You can flinch, I won't fold. Stop censoring me. I'm too hot to hold. Stop censoring me.
Look at that perfect mirror finish. You could just jump through there and end up in the clouds. Except that you couldn't. I can't resist but to do the childish thing where you break the perfect mirror surface. Sploosh. Look at those ripples. So satisfying. Alright, I'm done. Alright, this is the little nest up here. I've got a tiny bit of sand in here to make it slightly cozier to sit down, although it's kind of wet sand at the moment, which isn't the nicest. So I figured I will take that wood and I'll put the wood in here and then I'll have a nice wooden floor. That's right, real wooden floors below. It's going to take me a little while though. Time to deliver the sticks.
You want the safe little line with the edge filed down, but I've seen real mess on the edge of town. I got ketchup on my shirt from a busted knuckle fight. I'm not made of glass, I don't need your light. Don't trim my tongue, don't clip my teeth. I say what I mean, I say it on the beat. Stop censoring me. Snowflake Muppets, let me sing. Stop censoring me. I got bars that sting. Stop censoring me. You can flinch, I won't fold. Stop censoring me. I'm too hot to hold. Stop censoring me. Stop censoring me. You can bleep the screen, you can block the thread, but the truth gets mean when it lives in my head. Say it straight, say it rock. If your nerves get cut, then maybe it's enough.
Alright, the sun is set, but we've made a little bit of progress. We inserted this bundle of sticks over here, which we can use later to sort of prop things together against each other, hopefully. I'll just move all these stones over here. Oh, keep rolling away. Oh, no, that's a two-handed stone right there. Let's get that. Oh, so bulky. Here we go, I've got this little stick here and I've just been sort of trying to get all these sticks into the walls. Hopefully we can do this right and sort of build the wall over here, and then it'll be...
Every man walking this earth has a war, but not every war is the same. Some men fight for comfort, some men fight for status, some men fight battles so small they'll be forgotten by next week. But you were handed something different.
No way, it's my lucky day. Guess what we got? We got ducks. Ducks
Little
came
bird
to visit.
chirped a tale to me.
We don't get that very often.
Said you were
Actually, no,
out
we used to
there
have ducks
acting
down a
like
bit, but I never really see ducks
stealing
down
my
here.
lines, my whole
They must be really hungry
spree.
because that water right there is salt
Honey,
water.
that ain't how
I don't know if I've ever seen
supposed to
ducks
be.
that like eating seafood before,
Oh,
but
little bird, big
it's the first for everything.
You sang a
Ducks
song
looking for
over the
pippies.
south, little bird, big
Ducks that eat shellfish. It's a new one for me.
Find your
Alright, it turns out that entire load of sticks was just not very many sticks, and there's none left over for the floor. They all went into the walls. But at least we have slightly better insulation, I guess, for the winter. It is winter and it's pretty cold. So, this probably helps a little bit with keeping the cold out. Or at least not the cold necessarily, but the wind. It'll keep the wind chill out a tiny bit better. And got a little bit more sticks on that wall. A few more sticks rather. Does the window still work? I hope I haven't blocked over the window actually. Let's see. Can you see? Oh no. Yeah, no, you can sort of see, but not very well. There we go. Look at that. Can you see out the window? You can see out the window. There's a tiny little glimpse of hope. You may have to sort of get a stick and wiggle it around in order to see properly out that window. I've decided what this episode is going to be. The finale of this is we're going to make a trapdoor cellar storage for, I don't know, storing snacks. I don't really have any snacks at the moment, so I thought I would maybe just put some water bottles there, so if I get thirsty, I'll have water. I'm going to do so by first digging out the stones from in this.
Quick, etch a stone with fist Izzy. 6-letter name and it's Danley. Crack my bones until they're thick. Training for a fighting spree. Nothing truly comes for free. They're clawing at damage control. With my fists we rock and we roll. Post 2 dimensions with fire. Resonance burns through the wire. Gaining in levels get swole. Rigging elections we troll. Presidents lined up on strings. Pull them with silver black wings. War, star, far off in the past. Pen to the page and it lasts. Flicker my quill and time changes. Ones and then plagues over the gas. I keep on slowly doing push-ups. My neurons feed upon the pain. Wire by wire I'm rewiring till I don't recognize my brain. I keep on slowly doing push-ups. Let every shaky breath explain. I'm cracking through this fragile body.
Alright, there we go. It's the castle's first trapdoor, and it's strong enough that I can stand on it and not be too suspicious. And you can use it as a convenient drum. It's a bit of a pain to get in and out, and there is currently nothing inside it, but you know, there's potential. You could cover it in sand, you wouldn't even know it was there. Just a little pocket to store extra drinks. I do have a few more water bottles I could probably, I don't know, put down there, and that way I would never run out of hydration while at the castle. Alright, on the off chance that we're going to run out of daylight, I'm going to end episode 108. I think it's 108, 109. It's 109. It's one of the episodes. No, sorry, we're in the 200s. It's episode 200 and something rather, probably 209 or so. I'm going to end it there. But I've got a nice little cozy hideaway. Got my little mixing board. We've got some bows now. I crafted these bows from bendy sticks I found on the beach, and some shoelaces and cotton rope string that I acquired from around. They're not very good, but I don't know, they have sort of a castle-y aesthetic, kind of. Not really, they're not great. They definitely wouldn't hurt anything, but you can use them to launch these little arrows a tiny way. Maybe for like signaling, like you could say hi to someone by
King of the hill and I swing my bat. Deflect your bullets like a counter trap. Stand on the top, you can't take it back. Crown on my head, better watch your map. Red dot on me, I just swat that. Turn your whole rush into flashbacks. You talk loud, but your aim all cap. I read your moves like a flowchart snap. High ground, I've been posted. Patient, see your footsteps, feel your frustration. Every cheap shot, yeah, I send it back. Turn your ambush in your own attack. King of the hill and I swing my bat. Deflect your bullets like a counter trap. Stand on the top, you can't take it back. Crown on my head, better watch your map. Button, I time that swing. You chase clout, I defend my ring. Every wild lunge, I just carry grin. You fall face first when you try to win. You bring 10, I stay calm intact. One clean red, whole squad goes black. You play scared, up and smart, relax. Every fake flex meets a hard dispatch. King of the hill and I swing my bat. Deflate your bullets like a counter trap. Stand on the top, you can take it back. Crown on my head, better watch your map.